We're gonna ignore the angle that this is at for now. I can't even get the thing off because it's stuck inside of the tire, in between the wheel and the tire. We got bubbles. We got tears. We got more bubble. Even more bubble. Even more bubble. Fuck new cars. Taking all one any day. 2021 RAV4 with 23,000 miles. We had just done tires on it, and these were rolling around and hitting the wheel. And the guy was like, I have this weird noise at slow speeds. Yeah, because these were inside of your tire. Crazy.